Ni newydd cael cyfarfod gyda grŵp yn Pentre Salem, sydd tu fas i Llandilo, ynglyn â'i prosiect nhw dyfodol Salem yn neuadd Salem. A mae'n grêt gallu clywed beth yw syniadau nhw am y neuadd a ffordd maen nhw'n gobeithio datblygu'r neuadd i fod fel hwb cymunedol yn y pentre. A mae Ynys I'r Gar yn gyffrous iawn am gallu helpu nhw, achos taw Salem yw'r pentre agosau lle mae Tyrbyn Gwynt cymunedol ni. Felly ni'n gyffrous iawn am y dyfodol yma.
Well, my name's Alan Williams. I'm a designer. Moved to the community about 5 years ago during COVID, right at the start, and it was a vibrant community with a pub. You know, as soon as lockdown finished, the pub opened and the local landlady was great. But obviously, pubs are not sort of viable businesses, especially rurally these days, and they seem to be shutting. But you know, so we put up a fight and we tried as a community to really kind of gather a lot of energy between us, and we got local politicians involved. We did a community fundraiser. We raised 30 grand in a few days, and looked like things were going to happen, but then planning went against us, and now the property's been turned into 2 houses, which is fine. You know, these things happen. So we sort of pivoted, and we looked at the energy and the kind of community spirit that we'd raised. So we turned and looked at the village hall, which is a fabulous space that was, you know, built in the 90s by community members.
Mae dal yr egni a'r gwrthryfedd yma, a'r sgiliau fi'n credu hefyd, a y gallu na i cydweithio gyda grwpiau fel ni, i sicrhau bod nhw'n gallu dal cyrraedd y nod a'r gweledigaeth anhygoel sydd yn nhw i greu yr hwb bach cymunedol yma sydd tu ôl i'r neuadd.
I think that's what we've seen now, is there is a way forward for our group. We are a diverse bunch, you know, some incomers, some locals. There's a real mix, and I think we are also interested in, you know, how spaces like this can serve communities better. So we want to look at, you know, is there a way in which we can create energy? We can create a low energy space. We can build, a property that sort of pays for itself almost. You know, one part of that has been kind of a sticking point for the community over the years is we've got a wind turbine, but it doesn't actually give the energy, you know, low cost electricity. So what we look forward to and pushing forward to with part of this plan is, can we access any of the, you know, local infrastructure? Can we build new infrastructure like solar? There's fields all around us. We've got a great south-facing aspect. It's like if we could harness some of that energy and help that to power the community, power some low energy generation or sustainable energy for this project, but also for the wider community. I think it would be a great feature and something that we can, you know, build on as we progress. Yeah, we're really looking forward to also being a beacon for other communities. I think that's really interesting, and seeing how, you know, Wales and wider rural communities can operate more sustainably.